Hey guys, this is Amani Ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to create a simple logo and how to use the logo in the intros of your video. So basically what we want to do is something like, so we want to create a feel around your video whereby when people see your video, it already make them recognize the video and already make them feel like, yeah, this we are watching right now. So guys, it only takes some few steps, so I'll be showing it to you right now. So for the logo we'll be using Canva, and for the video we'll be using CapCut to edit it. If you are just joining us on this channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like our videos. You can also drop a comment, so it helps the algorithm push our video more. Thank you.
Let's go to Canva to search for a logo template. Choose the logo template of your choice and proceed to edit it. I am going to edit this one. The logo is ready, download it, and let's go and remove the background. Note that when you want to export the video, export it in JPG format so that the background will be removable. So guys, go to Google to search for background remover. After you see one, just click on it. After clicking on it, you want to upload the image that we downloaded from Canva. After uploading the image, so once it finally uploads, the background remover will automatically remove the background. So the background has been removed. So you download it. After downloading it, go down to CapCut. When you get to CapCut, so import the background removed image. And you adjust it the way you want it to appear on the screen. Add a good animation to the first clip of the logo. Choose the perfect animation that fits what you want. So adjust the first clip. So basically you want to split it into two so that when the first one comes in, the other clip will be placed at the top left or right corner. For me, I would like to make the second clip stay till the end of the video. So choose an animation for it too, the animation that will bring it into the video at the top corner. And it will actually stay, so you adjust the clip to stay till the end of the video. So I try to adjust the opacity of the video so that the logo can be clear and be seen. So guys, this is the result. The logo comes in and it stays throughout the video. Just like what I did in the intro of this video.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we drop new videos. So thank you.